Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is up, everybody? Velvet do-rag snipe in the comment section. I'm telling y'all getting do-rag snipe for the rest of the week. Matter of fact, until quarantine over, I'm not taking no do-rags off. I'm gonna keep switching them up. Y'all don't think I'm 360 G's up here, bro. I'm not taking the Deweys off. As you see in the title today, man, I'm kind of frustrated, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Now, I'm gonna leave the floor open to be like kind of discussed, you feel me? Because I don't want to be like, I don't want to seem like a bad person. I'm very optimistic, and my mind is open to ideas, so I would love for y'all to comment. It's not one of those videos where I tell y'all to comment, y'all just listen and get off the video. No, say something, because I need to hear something from y'all. But the video, I got a package in today, super late, so late I kind of forgot I bought them, and it's not my fault at all because I bought them with next day shipping and they never came. So yeah, by the way, quarantine. When the quarantine first started, my plan was to save money, okay? I really did the opposite of that. I have never bought so many shoes in my life. Maybe it's because I didn't have nothing else to do, but if you bought way too much stuff during quarantine, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. I know I'm not the only person who decided, hey, look, we can't go outside, there's nothing to do. I'm gonna stack my bread up, be smart with my money, and you just looking at your bank account like, bro, why did I buy so much? Like, I had no idea I was buying so much stuff. Like I said, maybe it's because we had nothing to do. I have no idea, but this was not my intentions. I bought so many sneakers over these last 2.5 months. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? So if anybody's new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The grind is still 100K, by the way. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Those are always down below. Without further ado, man, I'm gonna just get to this package because I don't really want to ramble too much. I just want to talk about what happened exactly. Here we have a package here. You know what I'm saying? It's no. If I get frustrated, flustered, or lost for words, just understand that it's coming from frustration, bro. And a lot, you know, when I be making videos like this, so many people be like, very, what's the word? I don't want to say sentimental, but y'all be like very, I can't explain. Y'all be very like, I'm gonna say sentimental. Y'all be very sentimental. For what reasons, I have no idea. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe some people do it just to do it, which is cool, but I just need honesty in this video. Now, throughout this quarantine, I've been ordering sneakers from just about every website possible, okay? I've got stuff from Hibbett Sports, the website. I've got stuff from Adidas through the website. I've got stuff through ASOS through the website. I got stuff from actual like fashion companies like Serenity. I got stuff from Minimal. I have got a lot of stuff over this quarantine. And even though we're going through a pandemic right now, I completely understand that. I'm not unaware that the world is under an extreme deficit, okay? I'm fully aware that we're going through that. But I'm just saying though, bro, like, how is it that everybody else can manage to ship on time besides one freaking company, bro? And I'm just lost for words, because I'm like, bro, if everybody's going through the same thing, what's the different steps that everybody's taking? Now, a lot of y'all gonna be like, oh, well, they must not care about their employees or da-da-da-da. Y'all don't know that, okay? And I don't know that, okay? That's why I say it's open for debate, but I highly doubt it got anything to do with employee management, bro. I just think, honestly, some people more, I think some people taking more advantage of this. I just feel like the box that this came from, y'all see the tape, it came from Nike. I feel like Nike already won it. You know what I'm saying? So maybe they just like, hey, look, bro, we got it already. And other companies like Adidas, who a little bit lower, and other more ambitious companies that just want to make their mark, they're like, hey, look, while this quarantine going on, we're going to be the only people that's pushing this out. They're trying to make a name for themselves, while brands that already got a name, just like it is what it is. At least that's how it feels. If that's not how it is, that's how it feels. And it's not a video to cry. It's like I said, it's just an open debate, because I'm opening the floor for y'all to give me your opinion. You know what I'm saying? If I don't share my opinion, how can y'all share yours? When I bought stuff from Adidas, it come the next day. Minimal, they sent me like 8 pair of jeans, 6 jackets, a bubble coat in 3 days, okay? Hibbett Sports sent me stuff overnight, and not the Hibbett Sports stuff that I get sent from them. I went on a website on my own, bought some Nike socks for the summer, bought a few pair of shorts. They didn't know it was Sneak. They didn't know it was Sniper Jones, you know what I'm saying? They just knew that it was a customer that just bought something and they got it out ASAP. Which brings me to this box. How does it take 20 days for one shoe? The release date for this shoe, I believe, was like May 9th or May 8th, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't remember. It's been that long. and I'm just now getting it. It just don't make no sense, bro. It don't make no sense. And like I said, I forgot I even bought this shoe because I done ran through so many, and I just got so much going on in personal life, and you know what I'm saying, everything. I forgot I even bought this until I come to the door. I see this here, and I'm like, what is this? I check my, I know what box it's in, so I know where it came from. I check my sneakers app, and I see what shoe it is. And I'm like, bruh, this shoe was ordered on May 9th. Why are they taking so long? Imagine if I needed these, like ASAP. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I know what we going through. But May 9th, like, if you're gonna be late, can you be a week late? Maybe a few days late? 20 days? Like maybe 20 days late. That's crazy. 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 Here in Georgia, everything is open. Everything from malls, everything from restaurants, everything is pretty much open. And I understand that maybe I'm looking at it from a different vantage point because we moving around. I think, where is Snickers headquarters at? I have no idea. Do it say on the box? No, I don't say on the box. I'm not sure. All I know is, man, if anybody over there from Nike watching this, which I don't know, I appreciate y'all service. I just wish this got here a little bit faster. It's already bad enough that I've been taking nothing but L's on them apps. Chunky Dunk L, LeBron L, you know what I'm saying? I've been taking more L's, triple L's, like TLC, I don't know. But here go the shoe. And since y'all see the box, y'all already know what shoe it is. And y'all can remember how long ago this shoe came out. Now, even though it's been tons of restocks, hundreds of restocks actually, this shoe has restocked at least 50 times. Matter of fact, every shoe that came out during this quarantine has restocked at least 40 times. Just because of the simple fact, I think they understand how hard it is for people to get shoes online. And I don't think they're able to push out as much product online as they will be able to in stores. Because like stores get restocks in different cities. So instead of different cities getting, like, say if a store in Texas get a restock, now it just hits the internet because that store in Texas is closed. So that's why so many restocks with everything going on. But if y'all watch my recent video, I went to the Mall of Georgia with Big Holla and I ran into a pair of these joints. Shout out to the guy over at JD Sports who hooked me up with an extra pair. But this is the pair that I actually won on the release day. It just took this long to get here. And I wish I was excited about it, bro, but I'm not. You know what I'm saying? I can't be. I can't be. I've seen this shoe 30,000 times by now. You know what I'm saying? It's super late by now. And the excitement is just gone. It's like watching a movie and all the good previews are shown on TV. So all the exciting parts you already seen. It's just like, all right, bro, like, let's get on with it. And I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, here we have it. Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. I know y'all probably sick and tired of this shoe. I probably did like 8 videos on this shoe in different ways. Not even intentionally. They just keep falling into my hands. I literally went to the mall and that guy held a pair for me in the back. Without me even asking. Well, he ain't hold them. He was just like, hey, we got a pair your size if you want them. They're not on display. I was like, of course. You know what I'm saying? And then the review, the on foot. So it's been a lot of content based around this shoe. And I think this is going to be the last one. You know, I forgot all about this. For anybody who's wondering about it, I've already sold them to somebody because I couldn't wait that long. It took them so long to get to me. I had to get my own pair, which is in the back behind me. So this pair will be shipped out tomorrow to whoever need them, or to whoever bought them. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. But it took them 20 days. 20 days to give me this shoe. That's crazy. I gotta rub the velvet for that, bro. That's the type of stuff that make you scratch your head, man. I just have no idea what's taking them so long. I remember when I used to complain about Yeezy Supply taking all day, because Yeezy Supply used to be taking all day, but they ain't never take 20 days. Maybe 15, but 20 days was never the thing, man. So anyway, Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I already know y'all thoughts and opinions of the shoe. I just want to know y'all thoughts and opinions about how long it actually took to get to me. I remember making videos and a lot of y'all was saying y'all didn't get your DMPs till like 30 days later. Some people were saying they didn't get the Jordan 5s till like a month later. So I know I'm not the only person that went through this. That's another reason why I wanted to make a video like this, because I remember reading comments on my reviews of y'all saying, hey, Snipe, I'm still waiting. So, hey, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all be thinking that YouTubers, we get special privileges. Nah, bro. Straight up, same way. 30 days, G. That's what I'm just here a month. waited a month on these. So, hey, at least I got them. Sneakers, I appreciate y'all. At least y'all got these to me. You know what I'm saying? I could have recalled them or canceled the order. So I am appreciative of that for sure. So that's just about it, man. Leave a comment. Let me know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Drop Velvet Durag in the building. I'm not changing durags until this quarantine is over. Next time, man, it is your boy Snapper Jones. So you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.